In today's van we've installed a 750 litre two-man system. It's set up to filter the raw water via deionisation, so there's just a single resin vessel there. If we just show you how much space is left in this Renault Traffic Sport, gives you an idea. So this is a 750 litre tank, and it leaves that much room. Okay, so what have we done? We've installed two electric reels. They're mounted on the floor. Customer's going to mount his poles on a pole rack. So he's had a 30-foot Pro Plus and also a 25-foot Pro Plus. Both of them have got our wash and rinse bar seal brushes on there with the brush bumpers. So we've got two 12-volt pumps on the tank. 110 amp leisure battery that's charged up by the while the van's driving, and then we've also got a dual inline TDS meter, so that can monitor the quality of the water before and after the resin vessel. Each pump's got its own digital pump controller, so that allows the operators to adjust the flow rate of the pump. They can also check on the voltage on the battery from the controllers here. System is actually bolted down to the chassis of the vehicle, then it's secured using these heavy duty straps that go through the tank. And this tank's quite well baffled because it has all recesses in it for various components, and then three large through baffles as well. The tank has a float valve in there, so as they're filling up, once it gets to the top, it will cut the water off. And if that ever fails, we've also got an emergency overflow valve here, and the operators can fill up the tank using this fill port here. Each of the reels has a slick connector on there, so that allows them to connect up their pole hose, and then each of the poles being fitted with a univalve so they can turn the water on and off. We've put in a premium DI vessel, so this one comes with the quick release heads. So it has these red tabs in there, you can just pull them out and you're then able to eject the white ports, and that gets you easy access to the lid of the vessel. And then the vessel's strapped in with this DI strap, that's just going to keep it secure while they're driving around. The tank's also got this eyeglass here that allows the operators to see how much water's in the tank. So once the water's dropped below halfway, they can then start monitoring it throughout the afternoon just to judge how much water they've got left. Each reel's then got 100 meters of our microflex hose on there, brightly coloured so it's easily visible. Okay.